Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest in AI technology. Today we're diving into a beginner's guide to AI marketing tools. With the rapid advancements in AI, you might be wondering what it means for your business and how you can stay ahead of the curve. We've got you covered. We'll demystify AI marketing tools, why they matter, and how you can get started today. So, what are AI marketing tools? AI marketing tools leverage artificial intelligence to automate and enhance various aspects of marketing. From generating content to analyzing data, these tools can supercharge your marketing efforts and provide a competitive edge. Why should beginners care about AI marketing tools? As a beginner, it's essential to understand why AI marketing tools are changing the game. These tools can help you work smarter, not harder, by automating repetitive tasks and providing data-driven insights. It's no longer enough to simply have a social media presence or a website. You need to constantly create engaging content and interact with your audience to stay relevant. And that's where AI marketing tools come to the rescue. They enable you to do more with less, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Before we dive into specific tools, let's talk about the core types of AI marketing tools for beginners. There are 4 categories to consider: AI writing assistants, AI content generators, AI marketing automation tools, and AI analytics and CRM tools. Each category plays a vital role in helping you create, manage, and analyze your marketing campaigns. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to jump into the world of AI marketing. Here are some beginner-friendly steps to get you started. Firstly, identify your needs. What aspects of your marketing do you want to improve or automate? Whether it's content creation, email marketing, or data analysis, pinpoint your requirements to narrow down your options. Secondly, explore different tools. Research and experiment with various AI marketing tools to find the ones that best suit your needs and budget. Don't be afraid to try out several options to see what works best for you. Thirdly, start with one tool. As a beginner, it's wise to start with just one AI marketing tool. Once you've mastered that, you can gradually incorporate more into your workflow. Trying to implement too many tools simultaneously can be overwhelming. So take it slow and steady. Before choosing an AI marketing tool, consider these important factors. Ease of use. Does the tool have a user-friendly interface that requires minimal technical expertise? This will save you time and ensure a smooth learning curve. Secondly, affordability. Determine your budget constraints and look for tools that offer flexible pricing plans. Many tools offer free trials or freemium models, which allow you to get started without any upfront costs. Thirdly, integrations. Does the tool integrate with your existing marketing and business software? Seamless integration will ensure a smooth workflow and prevent data silos. Check for compatibility with your email marketing, CRM, and social media platforms. As a beginner, it's essential to know where to focus your energy. Start by creating a buyer persona. Who are you trying to reach with your marketing efforts? Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your message and choose the right channels to reach them. Next, focus on providing value. Whether it's through informative blog posts, engaging videos, or helpful tutorials, aim to provide value to your target audience. This will establish you as a trusted resource and build a loyal following. Lastly, track your results and make adjustments along the way. Analyze the performance of your marketing campaigns and be prepared to adapt your strategies based on the results. This data-driven approach will help you refine your marketing efforts and maximize your return on investment. In conclusion, AI marketing tools are transforming the marketing landscape, and as a beginner, it's crucial to embrace these tools to stay ahead of the competition. From writing assistants to content generators and automation tools, there's a wide range of options available to supercharge your marketing efforts. Remember to start small, focus on providing value, and track your results. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to leveraging the power of AI marketing and achieving success in your industry. Thank you for joining us on this beginner's guide to AI marketing tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay ahead of the curve and keep exploring the endless possibilities of AI marketing. Until next time, happy marketing.